Hi Mansi.
Hi, hello.
Good, good. How are
Hi,
you?
Vishal.
I'm good. How are
I,
you?
I'm good. How are you? I'm sorry I had to cancel in the afternoon.
No problem. No problem. I think this is a good time. Anyway, it's Friday evening.
A good
So good.
time, yes.
Uh,
Good weather
up-
also outside, actually.
so you're in Bombay?
I'm in Bombay, yeah.
So
How are you?
Bombay, I am fine. Bombay weather better now?
Yes, yes. Bombay weather is definitely better than Chandigarh. I was in Chandigarh before.
Oh, okay. Your hometown is in Chandigarh.
Yeah, hometown is
Oh,
Chandigarh.
so biryani by kilo. We have dine-ins also in Mohali, Chandigarh, Ludhiana. Have you been there?
Oh, no. I didn't know that.
Huh. So because like in the tier two towns, which we call like Chandigarh, Jaipur, Mohali, we have dine-ins as well. In tier one towns like मुंबई पुणे दिल्ली NCR मोस्टली डिलीवरी बट चंडीगढ़ आप नेक्स्ट टाइम है अगर आपका होम टाउन है मोहाली भी वेरी गुड
मुझे
डाइनिंग देयर
पता होता तो मैं वहीं ऑर्डर कर लेती. I
हाँ
didn't know that you guys are there also. That's
या
amazing.
या
So you're there in how many cities?
so we are in 20 cities now from Mumbai Pune Delhi NCR
Wow.
Jaipur Kanpur Lucknow uh,
पता होता मैं आराम से चंडीगढ़ में कर लेती.
हाँ हाँ
I
हाँ
was
हाँ
there for good 3 months.
oh wow so you grew up in
Yeah.
Chandigarh
Yeah, Panchkula.
पंचकुला oh wow wow wow. और बॉम्बे अभी शूटिंग वापस शुरू हो गई ऑल बैक टू द
Yes,
सेट्स
yes.
नाउ
All back. Everything seems normal only now.
अच्छा seems
Let's
normal
say let's say hi to all the audience. Hi
yeah
guys.
hi I think yeah
Hi guys. We have Vishal today with us from Biryani by Kilo, and he's the owner and the founder, right, of
yeah
Biryani by Kilo. How nice you're taking out time for our live. Yeah? This is so nice.
no I think you are taking out time that's
I
thanks
am, I am, but you also being a founder, like
नहीं,
you maybe you like to do that.
but I think it also yeah, I think both ways and आपका लॉकडाउन कैसे निकला 3 months how was it
Oh, well, it was okay. Little stressful because actually my parents were not keeping well. So
hmm.
I was occupied with their health, and but it was nice for a change. It was something different, I'm sure, for everyone's life. You know,
हाँ
everybody was at home, and bed ke. Of course, we were cooking a lot of stuff at
hmm.
home. Didn't order anything. I think you know what, Vishal, biryani by kilo is going to be the first dish I'm going to order in 6 months.
नहीं I think
Can you believe?
you should and if you enjoy biryani kebabs which I think you do I think it is
Yeah.
food say special we are a big enough chain we have 40 outlets now in 20 cities it's very professionally run and मैं आपको अपना USP बिरयानी बाई
So and
किलो
all
का
safety is taken care, of course.
and our USP is that we cook biryani we dum cook biryani in the same handi in which it is delivered and it
Right,
is
right.
after the order comes that's why we take 60 minutes to deliver but what it means is it's all seal packed safe everything hygienic best quality
Yes,
ingredients
and I think आपका तो it started in lockdown only, no?
yeah
You were the first one that who were still serving
yeah we were never closed
home
down.
delivery.
We
Oh,
were doing quite well in lockdown because people have enough faith in us. Like
right.
we put live kitchen photos also on our website and all the safety standards. I think people are quite comfortable with, and it's very seal packed handis, contactless delivery, all
That's
outlet.
amazing. I can't wait to try them. I'm not kidding. I'm actually feeling bad that एक दो बार cancel हुआ, but I actually wanted to be special whenever I order biryani by kilo. That I wish I'm able to make my friends also try it, but because of lockdown and COVID, we cannot
Hmm.
have much people at home.
Maybe,
So,
but I can be quite comfortable at least with biryani by kilo because of the safety standards we follow and the fresh cooking we do. And
right.
but what do you like in real life? Are you a vegetarian, non-vegetarian,
I'm
mutton
a
person?
non-vegetarian and I love all the non-veg starters.
हाँ
I'm
हाँ
really fond of non-veg starters, and I also like chicken biryani.
oh
Chicken and mutton biryani, yeah.
and whenever you order a mutton galati, chicken seek or chicken 65
What
or start
is what is the biryani by kilo speciality? I want to know that. And I'm sure our audience also wants to know that. And so they will order that only.
सब में अलग अलग like mutton. I really like my mutton galotis and veg
So do
chicken.
you have bread also with it, like tandoori, any rotis and all also are there?
We have mali rotis and we have chicken kormas, mutton nihari as well, and ulte tawai ka parantha, firni. But we are
My
known.
God, my mouth's watering already.
But we are known more for the biryanis, the Hyderabadis and the Lucknowis and Kolkata. And I think you are already, I think I can see either you are dreaming or drooling or
I am
sleeping.
already dreaming. You don't know. I am foodie, though I don't eat that much, but I love tasting everything. So I love the taste of different food and different cuisines. So that's what I just now I told you I cannot wait to try all the different type of biryanis and the galati kebab.
हाँ नहीं आई थिंक यू रियली एंजॉय इट पर अभी क्या फिर आप क्या फिट रहने के लिए क्या करते हैं खाना खाली ज्यादा नहीं खाते या जिम
हाँ मैं खाना कम खाती हूँ and I try to avoid gluten and milk.
अच्छा ओके
So I
ग्लूटेन भी
try to do that.
ओके सो
Rice
आर
I'm good with. Rice
आर
is not fattening.
बट आर यू लैक्टोस और ग्लूटेन इंटॉलरेंट या
No,
वैसे
no,
ही
no. No, no, I'm not intolerant. वैसे ही, just for diet.
just for diet okay what are your new everyone was asking me what are the new series coming out any new web series serials coming out any new shows you've signed up
I just shot for a music video and I think it will be out in another 10-15 days. So we
Acha.
are waiting for that. It's a very nice, romantic, catchy song. It's shot with another actor. His name is Meherzan Mazda. You should try your biryani to him. He's a
sure
non-veg lover. Yeah.
okay.
I'll send his
will.
contact to Maddie. So, but yeah,
Yes.
he's also a non-veg lover. So yeah, uske saath there's another song is coming and there's a web series that I'm doing. It's called Prayagraj.
Prayagraj.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a heavy name. Allahabad. Yeah.
Allahabad में shoot हुआ
Lucknow.
लखनऊ में
So yeah,
मतलब
the story is yeah, Prayag, based on Prayagraj.
okay and this song music video what are the song lines like any you which we will be looking for koi lines
No one knows right now, so I can't disclose. We are waiting for a teaser. Teaser will be out in 4-5 days, so then they can hear. But I'm
you have
anyway a very bad singer.
but you have done music videos earlier sorry I didn't know Mata, I thought you were you have okay but it's experience than the series like but it is more more fun maybe music videos
Yeah, I like doing music videos.
okay
Shoot is different, you know. It's very montage based, you know. You're shooting scenes, cute scenes, and you can be free with the creativity also. You can probably play with your imagination, and you can do what you feel like if the director is okay with it. So it's different. Of course, it's only for one day. That is it. एक दिन में हमारा म्यूजिक वीडियो का शूट हो जाता है.
वो एक दिन में हो जाता है म्यूजिक
Yeah,
वीडियो one day wow
Yeah. If it's not a big one, and like right now, so anyway, we avoid shooting for more days, no? So they want to finish everything, you know, in one day and all. So
और
So,
बॉम्बे
yeah.
में आप what do you do about that home cooked food या
I have a cook. Yeah. Homemade food only I have.
कहीं लेके जाते हैं सिंपल दाल चावल सब्जी है
Yes,
simple
very simple food I like to eat. But I also love pizza a lot. I
अरे
am a
ओके
big fan of Italian cuisine as well.
तो उसमें तो ग्लूटेन
spaghetti.
but that will have gluten
Pizza में gluten होता है, right?
हाँ उस दिन चल जाए
So I eat it on my cheat days only.
अच्छा cheat day sorry okay but I think now you have to biryani you don't have to cheat because it's rice and meat and the kebabs.
So how long does one biryani takes? I want to know that.
So I think we take around 30-35 minutes to dum cook and around 20 minutes to deliver. So it takes around an hour. So every biryani is dum cooked on order, right? It's never made before the order. Even our we believe in fresh cooking. We believe in you know, like कि बिरयानी में इंडिया में मतलब somewhere we can give fresh and we make it in the same handi, so it's eco-friendly, much everything and very high quality rice and
Right.
meat. So,
Right.
तो आप तो चंडीगढ़ में बड़े हुए हो पंचकुला में, तो you would know all the butter chickens and the and the
I
kebabs.
know, but actually, yeah, we mostly used to eat vegetarian only at home. I used to
अच्छा,
eat non-veg whenever we used to go out.
okay.
So, but I know चंडीगढ़ में तो बहुत ही टेस्टी बटर चिकन, पाल ढाबा एक है वहाँ पे.
पाल ढाबा है, हाँ हाँ, right, I know.
वहाँ पे बहुत टेस्टी नॉन वेजिटेरियन मिलता है. आई एम श्योर
हाँ,
अब तो और भी बहुत रेस्टोरेंट्स खुल गए हैं. लाइक योर्स इज आल्सो देयर. योर्स इज इन विच सेक्टर?
तो
मोहाली.
इधर in Chandigarh it's in sector 30, Mohali near to
ओके.
ISB campus के
आई
पास है.
थिंक जो भी हमारे चंडीगढ़ ऑडियंस भी ज्वाइन कर रही है, दे
हाँ
शुड नो
हाँ हाँ,
that Guy's
they should.
Biryani by Kilo is in Chandigarh Mohali also, and you can
Mohali,
order from there.
yeah. In order and there we open for dining also. We're in Ludhiana and Jalandhar as well. Yeah.
Oh wow! So dining is not open yet in Mumbai, no?
मुंबई में वो खुला नहीं है, मुंबई में नहीं खुला है, बाकी सब जगह खुल गया other than Mumbai, most of the
I
places
think
it's
Mumbai
open.
is best in takeaway only. People prefer
हाँ
to just take away.
हाँ हाँ. And I think it's better to also I think enjoy at your own home with the comforts and
Yeah.
safety.
Yes.
हाँ हाँ. तो आप तो और आपने कुछ OTT पे कुछ नया देखा हो during lockdown which you liked, any series, कुछ anything?
Yes, I watch a lot of content, Vishal. So my last favorite was The Fall. It's
Okay.
a crime thriller, and
Yeah.
it's on Netflix. You can
Yes.
find it on Netflix.
Yes.
There's Gillian Anderson hai usme. She's a very good actress. She's
Hmm,
playing a
hmm.
cop, a detective. So
Yes.
I'm really fond of detective series, Mentalist and all. So The Fall, if you want to watch, and if the audience also wants to watch something, they can watch The Fall on Netflix.
All is good. Yeah, I was looking at the synopsis, but I didn't watch. So I'll now go ahead
You
and
should
watch
watch, huh? It
it.
is a little slow, but it's good.
What else watch in lockdown?
Uh,
One more, like anything interesting you watched?
anything interesting? There's the Schitt's Creek. That's
Okay.
also on Netflix.
Okay.
Like sometimes आप same type का content देख के बोर हो जाते हैं. Like same crime देख के या sci-fi देख के बोर हो जाते हैं. So Schitt's Creek is comedy
Okay.
and drama. There's this rich family in Schitt's Creek जो जिनका suddenly everything, money and all is gone, and they have to stay like poor people now, or like lower middle class people, and they have less money. And how they manage in that, and it's nice. It's very funny. You will really like it. Yeah, you should watch that. It's it's SCHITTS. I think Shits is their surname.
Okay. Okay.
So
It's a
that's how
family.
it's named on that. Yeah, it's a family name. It's Shits Creek.
That's it. So have you acted in any the detective series or thrillers like on the TV?
So I played a cop only in a show called Ishqbaz on Star Plus.
Okay. Okay.
And so yeah, it was fun playing a cop. I was not a full-time cop there, but there were few cop scenes, and then there were ghar ke scenes also, like Bahu Wale. So, yeah, so it was a mix. Hi guys, hi Kanishka.
Okay. I think a lot of people are calling you out if you want to take some queries or comments.
Yeah. Hi guys, what's up? Hi Sham. We are chatting with Vishal today, who is the owner of Biryani by Kilo. And if you have any questions about biryani, please go ahead and ask us.
We are the biryani
Please,
experts.
if you want to know his secret recipe also, he will tell you right now.
The secret recipe
But
is
tell me, is there anything special that you put in your biryani?
Of course, like our masalas are secret, and like
Secret, yeah.
But what is really secret is the best ingredients possible in India, the best handpicked spices, meats, rice, which is 2 years naturally, very expensive rice, and the commitment, freshness, authentic recipes. So once you commit to eco-friendly, fresh, and
Right.
you treat people well. I think, like a lot of people might not follow SOPs or standardization. You can
Right,
all
right.
get 20 city. You get the same biryani, same galati, same firni. So that is important, I think. So
I'm
आप
sure.
लोग, how do you do in acting? Like, do you follow certain method acting, like, or like वो जो spontaneously? You think people are born actors या acting school में
No,
जाके
no,
सीख?
acting is a skill, Vishal. Acting is a skill. It can be
अच्छा,
learned.
it can be.
It can be learned. I don't believe like tomorrow if you start taking acting classes, in a month you will be, you can act. You'll be able to act. So I truly believe that it's a skill. You improve
Okay,
every day. Yeah,
okay.
you improve every day.
So do you go to acting school या करते
Oh,
करते
there
सीख
is
गए?
someone who is saying, I am Nuzar is saying biryani was very tasty. I ate yesterday. So there's someone
Oh,
who
okay.
already ordered your biryani yesterday.
I think we get around
Guys,
1 lakh or
please, yeah, if you're in Mumbai or there are 20 other cities where biryani by kilo serves, please
हाँ.
order from biryani by kilo. They are
Thank you.
very tasty and I'm going to order soon.
Hmm. Hmm.
Hi guys,
And
hi Binisha,
hi guys. Hmm. Wildflower. हाँ.
hi Shivangi, hi guys. So yes, please order the biryani from. Then there are kebabs also, right, Vishal?
No, very very nice kebabs. The
Very
galotis.
tasty galati kebabs are there. I'm sure galati kebab to सबको ही पसंद है. Someone's writing we want the recipe. Nimish is writing we want recipe.
Recipe is freshness,
Of course
love,
recipe तो नहीं
and
दे
good
सकते.
freshness, love, and good ingredients.
Someone saying love from Bangalore. Thanks Shiva. You're there in Bangalore also, Vishal.
So, so Bangalore will be opening next year. Bangalore and Chennai will be opening next year. We are in north, east, and west. South will be going next year.
I'm sure Bangalore will also do very good. They have some
I know.
amazing restaurants, and
Yes,
if you open there, it's going to be
yes.
very good.
I think so. I think so.
There's someone from Malaysia saying, I wish I could have it. You should go in Malaysia now.
No. I used to live in Singapore for 8 years.
Arshina,
So we'll be
you,
going to Singapore and Malaysia, I
you
think.
used to stay in Singapore?
Yeah. 8 years I
I
used to live.
love that city.
I think it's my favorite city too.
I have a tattoo which I got it done from Singapore only.
Oh,
From
okay.
Boogie Street. Boogie
Oh,
Street.
that was very close to my earlier streets. बहुत
And
सामने
it
था
is
मेरे.
so clean. Singapore is so clean. Once
Very, uh,
I broke my chappals there and I was roaming bare feet and my feet didn't get dirty. It is so clean.
I can imagine. Tattoo आपने क्या लिखवाया था?
It's a Virgo sign.
Virgo sign. Oh, okay. So you're, okay. I think
I'm a
Virgo
Virgo.
are, my wife and my brother both are Virgo, and I think
Oh.
Virgo are the most chilled and most committed, I think.
Yeah, they're chilled out, hardworking.
Very simple.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Very easygoing also.
Very easy going.
Okay,
Very
someone is saying when we will have it in Kerala. They want
Oh.
you all over, all states in India.
So I think we will be going Bangalore Chennai early next year, and I think by almost end of next year we should be in Kerala.
Okay, wow.
Oh.
That's wonderful, Vishal. You're expanding, which is good. Which is very good.
We should be,
सबको टेस्ट मिलना चाहिए बिरयानी बाई किलो का.
of course. So we take it through all the world, I think, in the next few years. Yeah.
Very good. That's lovely.
House or what else do you like to do except acting and eating? Do you like traveling, reading, something else?
So I have traveled and not so much into traveling alone. Like if there's a group of friends going, like कुछ लोग अकेले निकल जाते हैं traveling पे. So I have realized that I'm not fond of traveling alone. I like to travel in groups or with family.
Okay.
So
And
there is some Arvind official is writing biryani is famous in Chennai. Please open soon in Chennai. They are giving you all the ideas.
No, we'll be going Bangalore, Chennai early next year soon. We are
South
opening.
we will be going next year. South, basically.
अब हम लोग अभी next Nagpur, Jamshedpur, Ranchi, those cities we are opening now in the east, and we'll be going south next year. Yeah.
Okay, guys. So we got to know this information that South they are coming next year. And अभी जितने भी North Indians हैं, they can try. मुंबई वाले महाराष्ट्र में और कहाँ पे है विशाल?
और ईस्ट में कलकत्ता,
ईस्ट
भुवनेश्वर.
में है. ओके. All the Eastern India can try.
Yes. And
And guys, do follow their page also, so you'll keep
Yes.
getting the information. Do follow
Yeah.
Biryani by Kilo,
yeah, Insta or Facebook, everything. Yeah.
and then give reviews also whenever you try.
I think someone is asking which actors are your favorite.
My favorite. See, recently I became a big fan of Gillian Anderson only, the actress from The Fall. I'm sure you will watch it. You will also be you'll be in love with her. I am sure.
Okay, I will give you the feedback.
And I like Ranbir Kapoor.
Okay.
I like Rani Mukherjee.
Okay.
Yeah.
You like good actors.
Yes.
और जो आपकी वेब सीरीज आ रही है वो भी आई थिंक जल्दी आने वाली. द वेब सीरीज यू वर टॉकिंग अबाउट.
So we are shooting only in November, and
Okay.
So I think by next year it will be there. Next year early it will come.
Okay. So a lot of people are working for Mirzapur. Do you like the Mirzapur kind of action thrillers?
Yeah. I like the story also actually. Mirzapur की story भी काफी interesting है. It's not just the action. Action तो मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं है actually. You know, I'm not that fond of action. Though I played a cop and I did a lot of action also in it, but I am personally not a fan of watching action.
Okay.
But Mirzapur में story भी बहुत interesting है.
Story बहुत अच्छी है. हाँ. So I think it's I did my engineering from IIT BHU. तो मेरा एक batchmate Puneet Krishna. He's one of the creators of Mirzapur.
Oh, he's one of the
Creators
actors.
of Mirzapur. He's the
Creator.
not actors. I think
Creator.
scriptwriter, creator है.
Oh wow. So please tell him that what a wonderful story they have made. It's all the writers
Even
also.
even you will not know. Like I come from an engineering background, and my other colleague from engineering, Varun Grover, he's the writer for Sacred Games.
I have seen Varun Grover's lot of videos. He speaks very well, and
yeah, he speaks very.
Poems also his poems are also very good.
Yes. आपका शुरू से था क्या? You were always in drama, etc. in school, college?
No, I was very studious.
अच्छा.
I was very studious, Vishal. In fact, I scored 94 in my 12th. I had commerce with maths. And,
okay.
But then suddenly I just, of course, I had an interest in acting also. From childhood, I think from 7th, 8th standard, that I knew that maybe I want to do something in this line also. But you know, when you're from Chandigarh or when there's no actor in your family, you don't know how to start, and you know, you should do theater or you should take acting class. Sorry, I was getting calls in between. Yeah. So then, but then I decided to start, I got my folio made from Delhi, where I was working also. So after 12th, I started working. And then along with my job, I got bored of studies. मैंने 12th तक ही I thought कि मैंने इतना पढ़ लिया है कि then I did my graduation. Of course, साथ में I did my graduation. My dad was after me that you have to complete it, you have to have a degree. So I did my graduation from Delhi only. Then along with it, I was doing theatre. So there I learned everything about acting, and we did a few plays. And from Delhi only, I used to give a few auditions. And so there I started doing a Doordarshan show. It's called Zindagi.com. It's there on YouTube also. Okay. So generally what happens when you start shooting a show and उसका pilot करते हैं. Pilot is the first episode. Okay. It goes for approval to the channel. फिर वो approve होता है. And so वो उसमें थोड़ा time लग जाता है. So it took a time for the pilot to get approved. And so meanwhile I came to Mumbai. So I got my camera experience in Delhi only with that show. But Umesh Bisht, he's a very renowned director. He's done a lot of movies also. So he was the director, and so So then I came to Mumbai, and that's how my journey started in Mumbai. Here also, we used to give auditions. Even sometimes now we give auditions.
Okay.
It's called screen test now. But of
अच्छा.
course, they want to see, how you look in the character they want. So we have to do it. So yeah, but
पर
बचपन से interest था.
पर आपको करके समझ में आ गया होगा कि यू कैन एक्ट एंड यू आर अ गुड एक्ट्रेस एंड यू एंजॉय इट, राइट? कुछ करके
Right,
समझ समथिंग इज फॉर यू और नॉट, राइट?
right. हाँ.
हाँ. सो
Also, थोड़ा time भी लगता है because it's a different kind of job. You are playing a character. So some people are able to do it. Also, there are so many auditions. There are rejections also. So some people are able to take it. Some people are not able to take it. So it takes a while to understand the culture. And every rejection. I'm sure आपको भी business में होते होंगे rejection, right?
पर
So
आई
you don't have to take every rejection on your heart. That's why not everyone's able to do it. Some people try कि हाँ चलो हम try करेंगे थोड़े time बॉम्बे आके देखते हैं होता है कि नहीं होता है, and then they go. But then you have to have your full heart and mind in it. Only then you can.
मतलब यू आर सेइंग ऑल इन होना पड़ेगा, टेम्परामेंट भी वैसा चाहिए ऑल इन जाने के लिए ना, कि यू हैव टू बी, एंड आई एम श्योर पॉजेस आते होंगे कि 3-4 महीने काम कम है या नहीं, राइट? सो यू हैव टू गो थ्रू.
Sometimes 1 year. Like if any actor is very choosy, script wise, if they're very choosy and there's some role, like a lot of movie actors are very choosy and they don't do movies. There are 2 to 3 years gaps because उन्हें script नहीं पसंद आ रहा, तो काफी gap हो सकता है in between. If you're not choosy, then you can do any kind of role. Whatever role you want, you can do. Yeah.
तो आई एम श्योर यू आर चूजी है.
I am a bit, yeah. I am a bit choosy.
You want to take
Also
any
not
of
so much, but depends. Yes, you were saying something?
I'm saying you want to take any comments or any message for your fans about lockdown. If anything you want to say to
Hi
wannabe
guys, any
actors.
questions? I think मैं विशाल थोड़ा 5 minutes और होगा मेरे पास बस.
हाँ,
Sorry, today I'm just short of
No,
time.
no.
Generally, I can give 40-45 minutes for a live, but
नहीं, 2 मिनट,
just short of
2-3
time today. So
We had a
sorry.
good time. Enjoy.
Yes, I think I was lovely talking to you and knowing you,
हाँ?
Vishal.
हाँ, नहीं, same here. और what are the plans for weekend? Shooting करनी है दोस्तों के साथ? You are going to catch
I
up with
have
some.
a shoot. I have a shoot, and that's why I'm in middle of a dress trial actually. So
Oh, okay.
I took out some time.
Oh, okay.
So that is why I'm in a hurry.
No, of course, like you are busy. तो अभी शाम का शूट अभी बचा हुआ है 2-3 घंटे का.
It's a trial.
Okay, it's a
The
try.
dress trial, yeah. Hi guys, any last 5 minutes questions you have for us?
There's someone is saying hello Gudiya. Was Gudiya your screen name in one of the serials?
No. I don't know. Just like that, they want to call me Gudiya.
तो आपको
Hi,
how
Bhagwan. Hi, hello. Hi, Tejaswini. Hi guys, any questions you want to ask? Or any questions you want to ask regarding the biryani?
biryani,
Vishal.
acting.
Biryani or acting, anything. Please take care and be safe. Yes, we are all taking care. You guys also take care. How you face your lockdown? Someone is asking. Lockdown रहा नहीं ना. Lockdown तो अब थोड़ा relax हो गया है. But of course we are taking precautions. We wear a mask whenever I'm outside, and sanitizer is a must. Keep sanitizing my hands. And distance, यार. I think distance is the main thing. Just किसी से भी बात कर रहे हैं, so maintain a social distance. That's it. And but keep doing your work also. If there's anything important and you need to go out, so do your work.
तो अभी शूट पे सेट्स पे भी काफी लोग सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग, सबने अपने मास्क लगाए हुए हैं, खाली सीन्स पे उतार रहे हैं, थिंग्स लाइक दैट.
Yeah, that's what they do.
That's what they do.
Yeah.
मेकअप में दिक्कत होती होगी, मेकअप करके मास्क लगा लिया, स्क्रीन लगा ली, राइट?
फिर से टच अप करो. Exactly. So थोड़ा like it's little dangerous at shoots. ज़्यादा prone होते हैं, actors सबसे ज़्यादा prone होते हैं. So but yeah, we are giving the entertainment for you guys.
No, no.
So
The life check
have to
push
do it. नहीं तो I think सब बोर हो गए थे ना 3-4 महीने same shows सब repeat
Same
everything is coming.
right.
My parents also got bored. They were like अभी क्या देखें कुछ नहीं है देखने को.
Right.
Then,
Hello,
yes.
I think I want to really hold you. I think you have to go back, but really enjoy it. We will look forward to your music video and the web series and all the serials. Wish you all the best. Thank you for coming, and we'll look for your feedback on Biryani by Kilo. Thank you so much.
Hi Amrita. Thank you Vishal. Thank you.
Thank
It was
you.
lovely
Thank
chatting with you too. I wish
Yes.
your all the restaurants and all the new openings that you're going to open in South and everywhere. And I can't wait to
Yes.
try Biryani by Kilo. I seriously,
Yes,
and
yes.
you're such a nice person. मेरे को अभी और भी अच्छा लग रहा है that I met you and we did this live. So yes,
Yes.
definitely. Tell me what
Yes.
you told me. Which ones are the best ones? The Galati kebab.
So Galati kebabs, mutton, veg galotis, chicken 65, and try the Malamal mutton and Lucknowi, Malamal chicken biryani and Lucknowi mutton biryani. But I'll send it to you. I'll send you the list. I'll send you the list.
Okay. Cool.
Thank
okay,
you so
Vishal. Bye. Thank you. Have a
Bye.
great day ahead. Bye. Bye, guys.